What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, one play that I haven't talked about in a while was Book of Meme. And I think Book of Meme has a lot of potential. And I've mentioned the potential before, it just didn't have the hype in the last maybe few days, maybe few weeks to a month. But the point is that Book of Meme has a level of popularity. We've seen it. It has something about it that kind of sets itself apart from a lot of other memes that are there. Do I think this has a massive use case? No, it's a meme coin. But I want to talk about the things that I like about Book of Meme, as well as talk about my position that I hold within Book of Meme, because I saw this as a major opportunity. And honestly, where I saw it yesterday, I just wish I had the time to invest in at the absolute lows, because I saw it at the absolute lows, but um, I wish that I would have seen it then, or I would have had the time to purchase it at those moments. But just to spoil everything, I had to buy more Book of Meme at these prices. I just had to. Is this the lowest that we will see? Maybe not, but it's giving me like Pepe vibes with like the market cap and where it is and what we can expect from the growth from here. So I wanted to make sure that I was involved in that while it's at less than $1 billion market cap, even at a further extent. So let's talk about Book of Meme in this video. If you guys hold it, whatever you guys think about it, feel free to let me know in the comment section below. I understand there may be people that are not for it and it might just not be their cup of tea, but it's totally understandable. I see an opportunity in this that maybe others will not. And maybe others see an even better opportunity than what I see. So again, let's talk about it. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out my Twitter, my Patreon down below, as well as if you guys want to trade a lot of things on Margex. It's a great platform. I've been utilizing it for a while, and it's just been working wonders besides the last Jasmine coin play that I tried to make during my last video, which didn't age well at all. I made the video at like 10 o'clock in the morning, and then I uploaded the video at like 3, and I think at 2:30 is where everything started to kind of collapse. So it's like right before the video went out, everything collapsed, and I felt like at a low price, but things really started to fall more. But that's a whole Jasmine coin situation. Let's talk about Book of Meme in this video. If we look at where the price is for this position, it's currently sitting at 1 cent, which is not bad at all. You have a 16% decrease in the last day. If we look at the market cap, it's sitting at a $572 million market cap. If you didn't know, this was up in the billions, right? So you're seeing this at a $1 billion market cap, 1.2, 1.4, billion dollar market cap. Maybe even further than that. I can't remember exactly the high point that it did get to, but when we talk about the highest price that it got to, the all-time high was 2.8, so 2.8 cents, double kind of or almost triple where this is. So it's definitely seeing it at a higher market cap, definitely seeing it at a higher price. And you see the all-time low is at 0.00085, which is 1,000% increase from there. And this was a month ago on March 14th, 2024. So the point is that this definitely came out of nowhere and started to push and give me like ApeCoin like vibes because it was available everywhere. Right from the beginning, it was like, ApeCoin was available on like Coinbase and Binance and all of these other like exchanges. This was available in a lot of different places. Obviously, it was difficult for me to purchase because it's still not available on Coinbase. But you have Binance, you have Gate.io, you have Radium, you have Crypto.com exchange that you could purchase it, which I didn't want the spread, so I didn't want to purchase it over there. But it's a Solana based coin, so you can buy it with a Solana wallet. So I decided to use my Coinbase wallet to purchase it, and yeah, now I have a Book of Meme. But if you didn't know, during that time period, I had 207,000 Book of Meme, but I decided to add a little bit more. So let me go ahead and add this transaction to Coin Market Cap because it's around this price point. I don't know the exact price point. It doesn't give me anything over on Coinbase Wallet, but I did decide to buy another 209,000. And that was another like $2,000. It was actually a little bit less. It was at like 1,900 or something when I bought, so it was cheaper than this. But let's add that transaction, and now I have over 400,000 Book of Meme that I decided to buy, which is worth about $4,344.16. Now, I decided to buy this at this level. Why did I decide to buy it at this level? I see some hype in it that I haven't seen before, right? You saw billions of dollars worth of volume during the large push of what this is and what this was. But you're still seeing that level of volume here today in a negative market. It's down 16%. You're seeing $600 million worth of volume, which is up, which you're looking at 101% volume to market cap ratio. It shows the level of popularity. It shows where this can go. And you know, if you know my channel, you know that I talk about popularity a lot. I love popularity. So if a play has a high volume to market cap ratio, I am for it. I am with it. Now, another reason why I do like this is the simplicity. If you're talking about a meme, right? You're not talking about throwing all of these gimmicks out there. You're talking about having a simple website where it's like, yeah, this is the information. It's just a white background with a bunch of memes and the contract address and just a bunch of stuff that's like, it's just random. It's just, well, not really random, but it's just very basic. It's a basic website because they're not putting a bunch of effort into building the website or all these other things. It's just the position. This is a true meme coin. And that's something that I do like with it. So again, I decided to buy more of this position. I had, and I averaged down because I bought at 1.2 cents, I believe my cost basis was. But now I averaged it down by adding the same amount at a lower level of about 90% of a penny, something like that. I think it got down to like 80% of a penny in the last 24 hours. Let's go ahead and check what the low point was. Last 24 hours, it was around 90% of a penny. I think I ended up investing in at 90, like higher 90s, because it was at more of an increase at those points. But I know that it went a lot lower and I wanted to purchase it lower at that point. But either way, I still got in at a lower point than where I purchased, and that's what I was looking for out of the play. So again, I now have $4,346 worth of Book of Meme, something around that range. It may not be exactly what it is, but I can probably adjust it. But if we go into Coinbase Wallet here, you're going to see that I hold about 1,218. It doesn't really update well, but around 416,000 Book of Meme. And I truly believe that this can get to a level of $1. If we're talking about the ability to grow, the ability to, see a massive uptick in volume, this is that. And getting to a level of $1 would be, $55 billion market cap. And honestly, at certain levels, I haven't built an exit plan. And maybe I should, now that I have $4,000 worth, maybe I should build an exit plan and put that out there, because I wouldn't have, and I'm probably not going to have 400,000 at the $1 level. I will have less because I will implement my exit plan at 10 cents, 20, 50 cents, and so on and so forth. So let me know what you're thinking about Book of Meme. Have you invested more into it? Did you decide to get in on this play here at a 500 or 600 million dollar market cap? Do you see an opportunity in it, or do you not? Right, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. I'm gonna get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.